Hey guys, today is the perfect opportunity to catch this bad boy. TikTok is on sale now. It used to cost over $40 to get it, but now it only costs less than $20. For less than $20, you can get an electric screwdriver set with 50 screwdriver heads. This is an incredible fact. Its magnetic suction feature makes you no longer have to worry about losing the tool, and it will automatically attach after the end. Equipped with various types of screwdriver heads, it is super helpful with small nails you cannot get to. What's more attractive is that with a gentle press, the screwdriver will appear, which is very convenient. Before, its only drawback was the price. But now, its only flaw has turned into an advantage. What reason do you have not to seize it now? The link is in the lower left corner. Check it out.